Did you know on band's license came in? I can't remember. He's a new guy, he don't give a fuck. Yeah, but you don't know what he's doing. I had to take the phone.
There's only 5 of us.
You want me to go over there? Yeah, go over there. So you were on their team. I remember shooting you in gym.
There's 6.
So 2, 4, 6. Call it 7. 2, 4, 6, 8. We're missing somebody.
Kieran.
Oh, word.
What's Kieran? He's the objective.
That is military sport.
Okay, you come with me then.
You can be the water boy. Basically, as soon as Kieran's touched, he's just going to scream that he's
It's just in the chill house, yeah?
Yeah, no game's over.
Yes, please. I was actually pointing at him, but that works. That works.
He's kind of bigger than me and standing in front of me, so...
It gets like that.
It's got some tape in it.
Zach and Fuzzy, can you switch for me, please? Is there anyone who hasn't got a chance to play with anyone?
But bring the bag out. We're
talking airsoft still, yeah?
Me and Mona.
Huh?
Me and him ain't been on the same team.
Yeah, you're Mona. Okay. No, that makes sense. Your band's in it?
No, I'm not.
Non-bands. Okay, I'll switch.
To make her dance.
Go on. Okay.
My muscles to protect me.
In terms of where we're gonna set up, in terms of locations, I'm gonna walk our team over to where it is. So there's another little side entrance. You guys, you're in. Oh. So your zone 2 is your respawn. I'm gonna try and keep an eye from this angle. If I see anyone, not necessarily from you guys' team, so if I end up shooting somebody, go ahead and do something. Just removes the issue we had where people just sit on the corner, fucking up your respawn. Yeah? But I'm gonna be up there anyway. From I see them camping out that corner, I'm gonna slap off their legs as well, cause I want it to be fair. Yeah, 2 secs, my bro. This is a bit techie, you know. Do you know what, guys? Can I change your respawn? Cause this is very. This is very techie, my boy. I'm gonna change you guys respawn. No, you're saying that, but it's an L shape.
I know, I saw it.
You guys, if the juggernaut's over there and you guys are gunfighting here. No, so I'm currently at Kill House.
But if you need to take up half the bottom field while he's down there.
I'm at Kill House right now, guys. I'm at Kill House.
Yeah, I've just done all the barrel side, so I'll go down the bottom.
Here!
When you,
let him out, guys.
maybe go on to the barrels after. Now, mate,
Dead player, let him out. You guys can't pass this zone right here. Guys, let him out.
I got guys shooting back.
Keep an eye out for that jug, people.
We've got the jug.
Guys, top field is open if you want it. I'm still on Kill House for another game and a half. Good smoke! Prezi, all good? Guys, don't shoot into the safe zone. Don't shoot into the safe zone. You good?
Yeah, man. Yo, dude, can't go outside.
Huh?
Don't go down into the bush. Jump in the middle.
I'm getting it, boys!
Let them out, guys, let them out. If their hands are up, let them out or I'm shooting you. Huh?
If I shoot my team, I'll make it.
Yeah. Cheers, brother. Don't shoot into their safe zone. You guys are now officially in the zone where you're not meant to be, so I'm gonna start shooting. Thank you, brother, appreciate it. Because then they can't get out of their safe zone.
Done. Got you.
Thank you for hit calling.
I just cleared them up, move up.
Been coming out with getting guns out, yeah?
So anywhere here onwards for you guys is a no-no. All of the rest of it is playable. Just gives them a chance to get out quickly. Plus, this is CQB, my broski. It's CQB, my broski.
I hear it, man.
They're just not allowed to shoot into the safe zone. So anyone who does that shit, let me know. Hit calling looks good, guys. Let's keep it up. Where's this jogger?
I know, you're not playing, are you?
Huh? Not yet.
Hold this. Good.
Yeah, Kobe Ray's coming through now.
I'm out.
Come on, boys, where's the gun?
No camping, Andrew. No camping. You're lucky you're in your own zone.
Hey, G. I'm going to go back and on that fuck.
What do I do with
Do you have another battery?
Huh?
Do you have another battery? Okay, go on then. Alright, let us know, bro. Don't shoot into their safe zone, please. Guys, their hands are up. Let them out. Let them out. Zach, you're now at the zone that you can't go any forward. You can go right if you want.
Let me out!
I need GoPros, man.
Fuck, Kieran, you bastard, dead man.
Let him out. Let him out. Dead player. Dead player. You guys still can't get the jug. What's going on, lads? He's gone, he's gone. You're just wasting BBs.
Alright, you can send the pencils out. Hey, Present.
No camping. Sorry, I was trying to get you back, to be fair.
I'm pretty sure I've got a grenade kill.
Marshals, just to let you know, outside, we're going to be on checkpoint Charlie side.
Noted, brother. Still at kill house. Still at kill house.
Checkpoint Charlie, just
Ange,
try to keep an eye on mine just in case.
take the pistol still.
Wait, what was that? You up in there?
It's alright, man. When we go back out,
Oh, good,
so I want you to play. No, give it to me. Give it to me. You're good. Got battery in it.
Yeah.
Alright, go on. Wait. Oh, fucking hell. Dead player. Let him out. Let him out. That was a fucking kill and a half.
Wait, that was at my feet.
Fucking hell. Good hit calling, guys. Let's keep it up. Fucking hell. Bear smoke's going off.
I don't know where this was.
Andrew Wandy Magia. Oh fuck! Oh, fuck! Oh, fucking hell! What a kill! Two team members out. Fucking hell! What the fuck was that? Game! Where's that? Non-bands win!
What's that game?
Yeah.
Game over!
Huh? Bruv, fucking sick. Of course I got that, G. Fucking went off.
It's like running well through. The other one, isn't it? Yeah.
Proper, bro. Proper. Well done, lads. Let's switch sides and let's go again. Do you know what? Let's switch this up. Prezzy's back. I'm gonna add 2 juggernauts. No, run one.
Normal.
Huh?
We're going normal.
Go normal?
Well, you need a gun to be juggled, brother. Do you want me to join in?
Yeah, well,
Our team's more people than them anyway.
yeah, go on, please.
Yeah, one of them. Down here is just sort of went.
Well, actually, you're gonna get shot the shit out of.
Oh, you fuck.
Sure.
Brother.
I don't mind.
I don't give a fuck.
Alright, go on, 1 game and then we'll switch it.
No, wait, did I not get a grenade kill though? Or none then? What, the green?
There was 1, yeah. You did hit 1.
Ready, bro?
Sweet.
Yeah. Yeah.
Tyron.
No, it's go hard to walk around in there with a black sheet in. It's warm when it comes back. That's why I said take my
Almost. Huh? I can't hear you. Huh? Have I got?
Do you want your back? Have I got more?
Just fill it.
I'm saying, do you want it? Because I've got more.
They might not see it in this adapter because this adapter is a bit dodgy.
I've got my ones on the seat.
Just give him the windy. Shake it and hear how much BBs are. You good? Do you know why I say it? That's a 380 rounder. You should be alright. Zach, how are we looking on your side?
Shit, bro, I'm fucking below you.
Oh, okay, my bad. You see? 3. We good? 2. 1.
Still got yellows down here, drop the upper end.
Oh, go on, guys. Go on. She sounds tired though, my boy.
All yellows are over there. Ready to go.
Liam, all good? 3, 2, 1, let's go! Oh! Dead player! 1 kill! You're not playing?
No.
Where's your gun?
Kieran's got his gun packed up on him.
Okay.
So I chucked in my gun so that the game can carry on.
Okay, fair.
It makes more sense.
Dead player, let him out! No kill!
Thank you.
You man give me joke! Good shot! Trade!
It didn't go boom.
Huh?
It didn't go boom.
Oh, annoying.
Where's the scared
Go on, guys, let's keep the pace up. Has nobody got that juggernaut yet? Let him out, guys, let him out.
Sorry, mate.
Good shot. Good shot. Let him out, lads, let him out.
Hey.
You can say bang when you that close, man.
You know what I mean.
Bang kills, guys, bang kills. Oh, low shots. Took out his nutcrackers.
Dead man.
Let him out. You got the kill, Oh! I'll let you off, Ange. Okay, yeah. You was in cover.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're alright. My bad. Has nobody got this juggernaut yet? Guys, he's center. Go for him. He's center. Right in the middle. Go get him. Fucking have him. He's center, guys. Center. Good hit call in, Chris. Guys, push back for me. Give them a chance to get out. Go on, guys. You're alright. Don't waste that opportunity, lads. Don't waste it, because they will come back round the other side for ya. Good hit calling. Let him out. Shout dead man as you're clearing the corners if you're dead, guys.
Fucking close to him then, man.
Trust me. That's game, guys. Game. Let's head back to that main container for a second. Game over. Hold on to the man.
One lit down already.
Once all guns are on the floor, I'll give you guys a chance to pull off masks so we can catch rest and work out what we're on fish. Mag out.
Yeah, that's
Safe. We're going to try to take it off CQB now, put us some distance in space. You know what? Everything's under the limit, G. 330, I kept it at 330, 310, yeah. HCA 310, AG is 330. So, everything's legal, G. Most of them are like 260s, 280s.
I didn't change any of my shit.
Yeah, even my man's DMR, same thing. 268.
No, you're fine, just don't fucking shoot.
Yeah.
Try once on the big field. Try once on the big field.
Well, I'm gonna try and head up to top field where we played again one last time, because there's another booking coming soon. I reckon they're gonna want there and they're gonna potentially want here. So I'm thinking run one, maybe a game and a hot well game. Looking at everybody sweating out. One game, head back, drinks, remag, and then we'll see if we can run middle field, because you men haven't seen middle field or bottom field. We'll try to run the last couple games down there. We're good with that? Yeah. What do you guys want to play for that next game on top field though? Because remember, we got all that space and you got the upstairs containers. The only thing I will say upstairs, be fucking careful. Them paintballs up there is fucking slidey, so don't slip and break your neck.
Well, if we do hostage, I'll score my guns, I'll be the hostage.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah?
I want to carry a hostage, bro.
Hostage? Yeah. Okay, hostage it is next game. We're gonna keep the respawns the same and we're gonna leave the teams the same, because I'm not gonna lie, that was very balanced, bro. I'm not gonna lie. I had to sometimes stop you guys going into safe zones, but apart from that, the gameplay was good, G. From the top, it looks fucking good. I want to see what it looks like later. Looks fucking good. So yeah, drinking drinks. We're gonna chuck back on our mask, then we're gonna pick up our guns. So probably chuck back on mask. Yeah, and then we'll literally just went up there. Same respawns, just same respawns. We'll have bands start this side, non-bands the other side. Who's our VIP? Okay, boom.
And no, he's the hostage.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Yeah, that's the big same thing, innit?
Well, other way around, innit?
Yeah.
I know, mate.
Guys, let's chuck them masks back on, please, for safety. Huh? We're gonna go top field, yeah. Huh?
Another field.
Yeah, top field. Top field, maybe one game, we'll see where we're at. Probably head back to Safe Zone, drinks, and then we'll try. See if we can get 2 on each of those fields, because that would be banging. Nice way to end. Maybe end on a fucking 3-4 or something. Or infected, bro, because we said that earlier, we never got to do that. Infected would be litty. So it's like 1 or 2 man. No, when we go midfield or lower field, because where there's trees and stuff, bro, sometimes you'll be chasing each other through the trees and stuff. And there's a lot of cover as well. They've got like little plastic containers and bits and bobs, wooden cover.
Where it is hot, it would be a bit shady for the fucking sun.
Okay, everybody got masks on. Masks on. Henry, just get your mask on, please, brother. Thank you. Yeah, we can grab our guns and head up to top field if that's alright with everyone.
It landed at my feet at one point.
Do you know what though? Can somebody give me a hand just chucking back this pallet in front of there? Vance, your respawn is now the black helicopter. Yeah? Yeah.
This one fucking hurt. Oh my god.
Hit you right on the muscle. Vance, black helicopter. Non-bands, can I just say, if you see anybody behind the helicopter, please just don't shoot. They're probably just remagging, sorting their shit out.
Weird defense though, but I would say give those lot a delay.
This can't be our respawn then. Okay, do you know what? Yes, so, okay, scrap what I said about our respawn change. This is still our respawn. Because then, yeah, if their job is to get them here, it gives them the ability that as long as they run across, yeah, they can win that game.
But you'll be respawning here, innit? Isn't that like derive? Get that.
This is kind of why I was trying to make the mission to bring him somewhere else. Because say for example, if the mission was to get him, maybe not here, but say into one of them center containers. Yeah. Or say do you know what? Yeah, let me walk up and show you. Give me 2 secs, guys.
Yeah.
Because there's like a car that we normally would walk them into, or the bus, and then we'd quit the game there.
Yeah, so
and it's like midpoint for everybody.
What do you think about this one?
Yeah.
Yeah?
If you can just let your team know, I'll let my team know.
Yeah? I'll light this up and tell them this
I like
is where
this.
you lot need to do the VIP. Just like, you both have to work for it and there's a tug of war.
Literally. Because where it is, like you said, if you don't hold that section down, you're fucked. And it's the same, if they don't pick them off, there's no way they're getting in here unless they're sprinters.
Yeah. So
and the moment that they get shot, they have to respawn and leave him where he is, you know?
Yeah.
So yeah.
Alright, cool, let's do this.
No worries. Just let them know, I'll let my guys know that as well, yeah? Oh, fucking hell. Can I zero this gun in? Fucking hell. This is pointless even shooting.
He was using QBC, that's probably why.
Yeah. Yeah, well, that's mad. What weight are you using, bro? 2.5. Okay. So guys, the aim is to get our hostage in there. Are we hearing, guys? Because they're waiting on us, you know. Yeah. Hostage in there. We need to head back there now to respawn.
Yeah.
Do what?
Like, see like how Call of Duty like grab a man from the back and like finish move him, yeah?
I've done a whistle and a dog.
Well, if you can try and do that with him, then that's your choice, but I doubt you want to do that. It don't really work like that. You're meant to just kind of touch him to move him along. If you,
Any way you want.
why for that though?
What?
Yeah, that is a why. If you're running in Call of Duty, it looks like you're fucking the Don, bro, from behind, bro.
Calm, bro.
It's so, man said that's got why for that. Man never grow you to be like that, G.
Let's go.
Why for that?
Alright, you man.
We're ready, yeah?
Alright.
3, 2, 1, let's go! You have to touch the hostage, guys. What the fuck are you guys doing? Come on. One guy can touch him, you're good. It's just one guy.
Team, we're coming back in now.
When you get shot, you have to leave him where he is, you know?
Excellent. Can you get mine started, please?
Come on, help me with that. Hey, they're right. Thanks, guys.
VIP in the containers.
Game. Yeah. Yeah, game over.
Right, quick change up. So if we start from there, we've got unlimited life, so we can keep coming back in. They get 1 life, but we've got to get to that container.
We won too easy, G. We won too easy.
No, that's what I mean.
Switch sides.
So instead of him coming here, we start with unlimited respawn.
We played it tactical, so why we won. Look at where they were. The running thing of rush.
Yeah,
that's accident prone.
You can go up there.
Just switch sides.
Yeah, cool.
Because I feel like that you're very correct. It was too easy for us to get pushing there. It don't make no sense.
He has to come from this angle, and
I think what we'll do is when we start and say game, we'll give you guys a 5-second head start because we had already got halfway here by the time you guys were still at like blue car.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah.
Cool.
Let me know. Yeah.
All right. Come on back this way. VIP with us.
5 seconds is good. Do you know why?
I'll get up.
Yeah, that's why I said 5 seconds because they've got a hostage, innit? Prez, same side. They're taking a hostage this time. Do you know why I say it makes it a bit harder for us because this was very close for us. Literally.
What I was saying was, whoever started with like thingy. Say if we started with Marshall here.
I'm getting spoken to by 5 guys, G. Please, 1 at a time, please. 1 at a time. Huh?
We start where we want if we're defending.
I can't even hear you, G.
We start where we want if we're defending.
We start where
we attacking.
The whole map is open.
Oh, so they're bringing the hostage and they got to escort them out that way?
No, they're still trying to bring him here, centre.
Oh, bring him into the centre.
Yeah.
And we got to stop them doing that?
Literally.
So
do you know why I didn't do it to the end? Is because they would still have to pass us. If we stand like a roadblock, there's no way they're going to do it.
Yeah, it's true.
So at least there it forces both of us to push up.
Yeah.
Huh? So slow walk. You're good to run now, guys. Let's go get it.
They're gonna go straight.
I would say plot up on those 2 corners as well. I'm gonna try and run over to the other side. Legs, I see fucking legs. Oh, plus you got hit. You have to take that. I saw that, my bro.
Right where?
It literally licked the bottom of your leg and bounced out the other way. I did see it. Plus we got unlimited lives. There's no drama about it.
He's coming round.
Thank you, bro. Ooh, hit. Finally, after I killed like 10 of them. We're not doing bad, lads. Let's keep up the energy. Guys, keep an eye on it.
Where they got him?
Yeah, they got him. Good on them, to be fair. We had them pressed for a sec. Guys! Guys! You guys won, well done! Let's ground up our stuff and let's head back to the safe zone, grab drinks, remag, and then we'll work out what we're doing after.
Yeah. One more right now, yeah? Top sides.
Yellow team VIP at the top.
Yeah.
Hit calling if we're unsure, just call it, G. You guys have unlimited lives. I was gonna rotate it and give the defending team, is it the defending team? A fucking 200 gun, I haven't got a pistol. Well, I'm gonna be, unless it's HPA, it's a bit problematic for me. Because I'm gonna run there and get stuck. I only have minimal rounds. Zach, let me know when you man are good, brother. Push, 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 push. Do you see what I mean? As long as we roughly get here. Ready. Oh shit, love my bro. Love my bro. Don't wanna fucking lose that. Guys, let him out, let him out, let him out. Don't shoot through the pellets! Don't shoot through the pellets! Game over! Game over! Go on, Lee! Yeah, let's go grab some water and that G, remag, and then we'll try to play middle field.
All games.
Okay, no, lovely. That's what I want to hear, man. Lovely.
Bro, how on earth did you do that?
Oh, I got a phone.
Where did you run from? Show me.
I'm gonna show you. Safe zone here, guys. I'll show you 2 secs. Yeah, bro.
You guys were pushed that quick.
Bruv. I had to though, because from as soon as Zach do it, I was like, oh, you just have to be fucking quick.
But there's no fucking push.
Can't see you, man, with the wicked videos.
Just get your quick little jump in there.
Oh, I think I'm out of gas, that's why though.
You know you said about the Titan 7 and the full auto.
Yeah.
How do you say to fix that again?
I'm gonna change your hammer set out. Because I think what's happened is your hammer set is not seating well with your hammer.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna essentially change it out.
Okay.
To eradicate that problem.
Tell you what, I can't wait to see how it looks when I get the money for it. It's gonna be a beast.
Hold on, due time, man. It's a journey, my broski. It's
like
a journey.
It's like a car, ain't it?
Yeah,
you don't
well,
buy everything at once, you gotta buy it over time.
Literally.
Build her up.
Good man.
Yeah, I can't see what I'm doing. Just a button.
Well, it might be my
Just to take the mag out as well.
Muzzle cover. Just put it towards you, yeah, because obviously they don't know that.